2500 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning. Whoo! We are ready to go, pandas. We are ready to go. It's absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy, pandas. We are in the twilight zone of trading right now. Absolutely insane. Market just opened. The 5-minute chart. Goodness gracious. I mean, don't even ask. I mean, we got 20 accounts back up again. I'm just like, this is crazy. Look at tell me the last time you saw a day that looked like this. How crazy is this, pandas? Tell me the last time you saw a day that just stayed in a channel like this almost the entire day to the very end. Do you know another day that looks like this? This has been a while. It's very rare to see this. It's absolutely insane, actually. So sick, so sick. Yesterday's price action. Big gap when we started off the day. What's new? I mean, I feel shenanigans already today, but we'll see. I feel like we're about to see a bunch of shenanigans today. Know what I mean, Panda?
2500 tick trap.
Pandas. Drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Kevin Matt, good morning. H Steel, good morning. Boost Steel, good morning. Ashraf, good morning. Bob Royals, good morning. Good morning. Andre, good morning. Luis, good morning. Last 2 days, man, it's been rough. Last 2 days have been rough, and so we are gonna take it slow. I mean, our accounts are still like decently healthy, still pretty good capital in them, and we can get these back up easily. Especially, after the storm is past. You know what I mean? After the storm has passed, if you
2500
know
tick
what I
trap.
mean. Second entry long here. Considering it, second entry long. Come back to the top of the trading range. Ah. Ah. Tricky, tricky. Wow, it gets your neck breaks here. Risk is very small, probability is very low as well. You lose that trade if you entered long. So sick. Okay. It's being a trap trade. There's a gap beneath that needs to fill. Very obvious gap that needs to fill beneath. Will it fill? I have no idea. These days, gaps, who cares about gaps? Gaps, gaps, gaps everywhere. Doesn't matter. I put a question and answer up. I've used it like the feature one time and it like no one like participated. I'm just gonna just put it up again, just see if anyone cares. Let's see. Questions and answers. Any questions and answers? Any questions you have? I have a Q&A. Just for you guys. Let's see. I mean, most people just put the questions in the chat itself, so. These accounts, pandas, are ancient right now. I have these accounts that are ancient. They are so old. At least in the terms of prop perm space, they are very old. Pushing down. Looks bearish. Looks like triangle. Sorry, it doesn't look bearish. It looks triangular. Okay, that looks a little bearish. But still triangle. Still needs to break through a couple supports here. All right, 1, 2, 3 hits. And now we're on our fourth hit. Let's see if the triangle continues. This will be hard to pass up for me. Feels like entry long. But you got obvious support here. Obvious support here. Big bull bar. Yeah. Jeez. Look at this triangle. It's like perfectly. A perfect triangle, essentially. Hard for me to just go short here, but I love the setup. Hard for me to go short here, but I love the setup. If we didn't bounce off the support so perfectly, I would consider going short here. But now that we bounce off from the support and we have a triangle looking thing, we're thinking coming back to the top of the triangle. Very cool. Multiple bull bars to get up to it as well. First bar in the 5-minute charts, you know, confusion bar, doji. V bottoms to the top of the triangle. Very cool. Very cool. When I say very cool, I mean like no, it's not very cool. It's just annoying, stupid price action. That's what I mean by that. Okay. I mean, if you want to talk about bull flag, I mean this is as bull. It's not really a bull flag, technically. Bull flags have little, channels that look like this. That's a bull flag. This is more like a pennant. Bull pennant. Right. Looks like a pennant, like a triangle. Your best trade is to break out, retest. That's your best setup in these situations. Is there any regard for the top of this triangle? Is there any regard for it? Slight regard, at least, right away. Hmm. Outside bar reversal, breaking to the upside here. Interesting. A little pop up there. So all I see right now is this triangle. Breakout retest, I guess is the best setup you can have right now. Okay, failed breakout. So I'm looking for the breakout retest. Just a breakout, then failure. What a failure. Okay. Breakout retest now. Ends up being more bullish than I thought. No clue what's happening here. The probability of this continuing going up is higher than going down. But is it that much higher? Maybe 10% higher. Right. Strong bull bar on 5-minute chart, ending on a tie. Cool. Right. 5-minute, strong bull bar, ending on a tie. Not sure if it means much. Okay. Breakout retest. I don't like this shape. Yeah, no. This shape here is quite ugly. Good morning, everyone. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Today's Friday. TGIF. Man, Pandas, like last week, we had 2 amazing good days and then 2 terrible days. Goodness gracious. Like all our accounts were in payout city. All our accounts were in payout city. I had max payouts on the top half of my accounts. I had over 5K on the bottom half of my accounts. Pandas. Crazy. Crazy. That price action last 2 days. I gotta figure out. I mean, I could still be healthy. My accounts could still be healthy. I just bombed my accounts on Wednesday. But the thing is, like, the problem is, like, even when that happened, it's just like I like the trades I took actually. It's not like I didn't even like the trades. But I don't know. I get trapped all the time in the market. The market tricks me a lot. When I feel very confident, that's when I'm like at my weakest. When I'm very confident, that's like when I'm at my weakest. When it comes to trading, confidence kills you. Actually, it's like so weird because like confidence usually helps you, but trading confidence kills you. YL. Did I say it'll shoot up 5 days ago? It is going up right now. Right, breakout retest. Your best setup is a second entry long, right? Coming off a trend line and 20 MA. Like it has the ability to do it, right? The channel is big enough for this to happen. I'm not sure if it will though. It might just look for all-time highs. I don't know. All-time highs not too far away. All-time highs right here, this blue line. So many bull bars in a row. I think I'm gonna pause. I don't want to buy here. I mean, if it's a channel, then it's at the top of the channel, and rather wait for a pullback at this point. But we might not get one, and that's the part of trading, right? You might not just get what you're looking for. Okay, come back down. Not very far. You can tell that the bulls are in full control here. Every time it comes back down, it's just for a very short period of time. Goes right back up. Okay. This bar is interesting. Breaks beneath the previous bar, breaks above it, then breaks back beneath it. A good signal bar off our trend line in 20 May. I might enter with the first entry. I like to wait for second entries, but here I may wait for the first entry. Okay. Doesn't quite touch our trend line or our 20 MA. Now it's a second entry long. Jeez Louise. If it touches these supports, it'll be a second entry long. I mean, this is as textbook as you get. I gotta try. I mean, if it does set up, I'll try heavy. We'll see. If it does set up, I'll try heavy. Second entry long. I mean, this is as textbook as you get. A, B, C. That's as textbook as you get if we get it. If we actually get the setup. It's as textbook as you can get. Yeah. See, that's the thing about this setup. It's just like you rarely get it when you want it. You rarely get it when you want it, right? It doesn't because first this is the first entry and just blast off. Doesn't touch any of my supports. Starts lifting up, just launches. Doesn't give me my second entry long. If it give me a second entry long, then that'll be beautiful. That'll be like beautiful. I was like ready to go pretty heavy on that, but you know, that's trading for you really. You're very patient and you sometimes just don't get anything. You want two pushes down. So far, all first entries all the way up here. All the way up. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. But did I feel confident going long right here? Not really. Regardless, first entry, second entry, whatever entry, you wanted to come off some sort of support, some sort of right resistance if you're trying to go short. I'm adjusting this because it launched off this area. Doesn't quite touch the 20 main, nor does it touch. Like when I had it, it didn't touch my trend line. But now I'm adjusting my trend line because it launched there. So I'm guessing this is the trend line that whatever algorithms are out there are using. And it might be one of those you never get a setup along this entire uptrend, which is unfortunate. But I want to be patient as possible because I just got destroyed like last 2 days. I'm going to be patient as possible and just wait for my setup. I could care less if I make 0 trades today. I'm like in a place where like I'm at peace with whatever happens. I'm at peace with whatever happens here. Uptrend super strong. Let's try to jump in here. All first entries only, as you can tell in this uptrend. All first entries only. So I want to get a piece of it if I can. Strong bull bar. I'd like to keep it.
Target filled.
Okay. It's not even 10 points, pandas. I mean, it's not even 10 points. I'm just trying to scalp at this point because it's late in trend and no setup, really. I just went on the first entry. And I just went in because this uptrend is proven to be very strong here. Very controlled uptrend. Very, very, very much apparent, this channel here. Very controlled uptrend, so I'm just trying to jump in here. Don't even make 10 points. I mean, it does make 10 points, I think, altogether. Just hits 10 points. Crazy. That's crazy. Alright. Maybe coming to our trend line, maybe coming to the 20 May. It's another first entry. Let's just keep jumping in here. What in the world? Second entry. This bear bar makes me a little worried. It might have another push down, which is why I didn't just enter here. I saw this bear bar. It's kind of strong. We finally get a second entry. I would like it to come off 2 key areas. Right now, it is coming off 1 key area. Now, maybe 2 key areas. One key area, hence 1 contract. 2 key areas, I'll put 2 contracts in. We're almost at yesterday's high. Could create a good double top or something. Wouldn't be surprised at all. Terrible signal bar. Terrible signal, so still one contract. Okay. Doji bar. It's the first second entry long in this whole series. Multiple bear bars in a row. I'm no longer interested in going second entry long. We're beneath the 20 MA with multiple bear bars in a row. Very cool. So when you get your second entry, it's just untradeable. If it does blast off, it does. I can't take this trade. It's just so stupid. Yeah, I simply cannot take this trade. It's way beneath the 20 MA here. Too many bear bars. Probably looking for a new low here, to be honest. This feels like really counter trend trading if I go short here, to be honest, too. Look at that.
2,500 tick trap.
Well, would you look at that? Second entry long. Pushes up decently strong here.
2,500 tick trap.
Terrible signal bars. Like the worst setup possible, but enough to give you a 1-to-1. So kudos to anyone who took that. But you got to be out of your mind. You got to be out of your cabeza to take that trade. To be a little bit crazy. But you know what? If you're trading, you got to be a little bit crazy anyways. Woo-wee! What is actually happening right now? I have no clue. Whatever the uptrend is, it's like showing weakness now, whatever it is. Regardless of what happens. This uptrend might be kaputs. Gustavo says, I just saw that we can't risk more than half contract limit before we hit a certain amount of capital funded. I didn't respect that like 4 times. Am I done? You're kaputs. Nah. Most likely, I would say request your payout as soon as possible. And they're going to tell you to trade another 8 days. Most likely that's what will happen. But I would say if you can put a payout in, put a payout request even with the minimum. Just do it. So that you can hurry up and get dinged. And so you can start your cycle over again. That's what I would recommend. Austin Hare up 285. He's that. I'm done. He knows himself better than anyone else.
2,500 tick trap.
Washi Trey, good morning. Thanks for joining. This is wild. This is wacky. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is wacky. I'm unsure. Whew, this is wacky. I'm sure it's going up, but in a very wacky way. Wow, that's just weird. That's really weird. Sure it's going up, but it's doing it in a really wacky way. I'm just watching it do its whack attack. Let's let it just whack attack itself. What is going on? Like I said, no clue. I mean, well, look at this triangle. I love it. I love it. They need me to put me on the programming team for Ninja Trader. This is such a weird program. Second entry long with 20 MA. How about them apples? How about them apples, pandas? Second entry long, 2500 tick chart off the 20 MA. How do you like them apples? Can we get it? What was this? What's going on? OI pattern, 5-minute chart. Might as well try. Bye bye. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Are we just gonna go to like another like the price action in this entire sequence? Look at the price action here, daily chart. This has all been trash. This has all been freaking trash. Every single day is trash. The last Monday and Tuesday were good days. I'll tell you that much. But last like 5 months have been trash price action. It's crazy. Should I look for a long trade is a question. Should I look to go long, pandas? Are we spiking channeling? Maybe that was the key here. Spike and channel. Big spike up, spike and channeling now. Wait, 4 hits off of this trend line, which is nice. I guess. Kind of gives you like some rhyme or reason of what's happening here, which is always good when it comes to trading. As long as you can like make up some sort of narrative, it's good. It's good enough. You know what I could do at this point? I can just go for my $200 a day and just look for a million. Just look for a million. $200 a day, look for a million. You know what I mean, pandas? At this point, just always remember when you have 20 accounts, you're just $200 a day from
2500
making a
tick
million
trap.
in 1 year. So whenever you can start with 20 accounts, that's always a good thing. Even if you like bust a couple accounts, if you have 20 accounts, you're in a very good position here. You're $200 away from making a mil. That can't be bad, right? We got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. This has a measure move of a 1-to-1 at the bare minimum. You want, like, bulls need that 1-to-1 here. If they don't get that 1-to-1, that trade is an absolute failure, right? Because it's a 50-50 chance. It's pretty much a 50-50 chance. It's less than 50-50 because it can actually fail both ways. A little less than 50-50, I would say. All right, second entry long. If we can get it, I'll take it. Okay. First setup that I've seen, nothing that I love, but I don't want an outside bar reversal. Forget that. I'll take it with 1.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. We're dead. Huh. Strong bull bar and then just gets folded. Very cool. I just like, I don't know. Coming off our trend line now. Just rocking off our trend line maybe. With the spike in channel coming off the bottom of the channel here. Could be okay to take a trade, but jeez. Let's see here. How eager am I to go long here? How eager am I to go long here? Second entry long. I'll try it again. I guess. Whatever. It's like so frustrating. It doesn't give you the setup. Misses it by a tick. Take the higher low. As long as we keep bouncing off this trend line and the 20 EMA, like I feel pretty confident to keep going long here. Because we're clearly making a move up here, and this is clearly support. I feel pretty confident to strong bull bar too. I feel pretty confident to continue to go long here. Also the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. I mean one last setup here. Alright, 2 contrasts good enough for me, whatever. Second entry long. I mean, can we do 1 day without this? Can we do 1 day without this, like, absolute trash price action? Can we just get 1 day without it, please? Absolutely, please. 1 day without absolute trash price action. Is it possible? Is it actually possible? Can we ever see good price action ever again? It's so stupid. So frustrating. 5-minute chart printing a bull bar, which is very good for bulls. It could be what the bulls need, right? To feel confident to go long here. Could be what it may not be. It may not be, but could be what the bulls need to feel confident to jump in here. Absolute trash price action. What is this? This is absolute trash price action. It's crazy. What am I looking at here, pandas? Can someone explain to me what am I actually looking at? This absolute trash. What in the world, pandas? Give me, please, just one day, no trash. Just what is this? I guess like I'm not forced to trade. No one's forcing me to trade this, but this is just doo-doo caca to the maximum. What is this nonsense?
Target filled.
Okay, we hit the first target. It's absolute doo-doo caca. You know how long that took? You know how long that took just to do the most obvious thing ever? Oh my goodness, Panda's like, what is this trash? The 5 minute, like I said, this strong bull bar was probably what the bulls needed to feel confident just to go long here. It hit the 1-to-1 on the OI pattern. Let's see if we can hit the 1-to-2 with the runner here. Absolute trash. Goodness gracious. I don't care what happens. This day is already, it's already chopped. This day's already chopped. No setups whatsoever. And it starts to turn to absolute trash. Look at this trash here. Look at that. IOO pattern is absolute trash. What is that nonsense? What is this nonsense here? So dumb. So stupid. Just so dumb every single day. This price action is absolute just doo-doo caca. I need better days. I need better days. What is this? What is this trash? What is this nonsense? Yeah, of course. Take me out break even, whatever. Made my bamboo, and my target was a 1-to-1 on that inside bar.
2500 tick trap.
What in the world is going on? Like, why? What in the world's happening? Snaps down, snaps back up. What is this? It's so stupid. I don't want to trade today. I honestly don't want to trade. I'm up 500. I'm like, I want to call it quits. Like, I'm up 500, Pandas. Like, I do not want to trade anymore today. I already hate the price action. I already despise it, Pandas. I already despise it. I hate this price action. I'm telling you that right now. I already hate it. It's so stupid. Look at this, Pandas. Like, what in the world is this nonsense? It's so dumb. It's actually so stupid. I don't like this little volatile movement here. It's super fast move back down and then back up. I don't like that, Pandas. That to me just seems like the market's just so confused. Grinding up. Always in long, maybe. 5-minute chart. Look at this. Look at it, just like gets destroyed, then comes right back up. What is the point of this? What was the point? Why would the bears want to do this and just get so trapped? Goodness gracious. That's one thing I don't like about trading 20 accounts. Stop limit order trades. You gotta love them. What is the point of this? What was the point of this? What's the point of snapping down here? Why? Just why? You're right next to the the previous day's high. Why do you snap down just to get up to it anyways? What is the point of that, pandas? What is the point of this? Goodness gracious. That's just crazy. I mean, I don't like it. I don't like it. What's that sound? It's 20 accounts getting messed up. That's when you put a stop limit order and you put it in a place in the wrong place. Your stop limit order cannot be in the price. It has to be above or below it. If you're long, it has to be above it. If it's below it, it has to be a... All right, pretty decisive bounce off of the previous day's high. Looking at the price action, it looks trading rangey. Big down, big up. We're very close to
4,500
all-time
tick
highs
trap.
here, but I mean, I'm looking for a reversal. I'm looking for one, pandas. Give me a fail second entry long here. I'll try. Whatever. I'll try with two because of the potential of like a really good runner. Just a bounce off the previous day's high is significant. So perhaps this might give us a big reversal. I'm going to look for it here. Potentially big move down. It does spike to the downside, which is great for me. But I need more than this, I think, for a major trend reversal, in my opinion. Major trend reversal has to be more than this, in my opinion. Okay. I don't like it. Every time it pushes down, it comes right back up. I don't like this this pattern here. Every time it gives me a big push up, it gives me a big wick right above it. That means it's pushing it back up every single time. I do not like that. Does not give me, strong assurance that this is a strong downtrend. Does not give me strong assurance it's a strong downtrend. Give me another push down. I feel okay here still. Give me a strong bear bar here. Decent bear bar. What is this trash? What is this actual trash? What is this actual trash, pandas? What is this actual trash every single day? Goodness gracious. Actual trash here. You guys are witnessing an actual garbage can. What is this? Every single time it pushes down, it comes right back up. What is that? What is this? What am I looking at here, pandas? What am I actually looking at here? It's actual trash can for the price action. What is this, pandas? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? I mean, I'll salvage whatever I can. I'll make a couple hundo, whatever. So freaking stupid. With the slippage. I still made a little bit of profit on that, but pandas, like, how absolute trash. How absolute trash can this price action get? I have no clue. I mean, you can't get more trashy than that. We almost had 20 points there. Almost 20 points. I wanted one more push down, but like I said, every single time I pushed down, it kind of made these wicks back up. Like, push down, made a wick back up, push down, wick back up, push down, another push up, push down, push back up. So to me, I did not have good, full assurance, very little assurance that was going to work. Goodness gracious, but for a major trend reversal, you just need a lot more than that, in my opinion. I mean, we had a 1 to 2, which is great. The 1 to 2 was made. I should take out 1 at 1 to 2, at the very minimum. This is trash price action. I just hate this every single day. I guess we're just gonna make all-time high since we couldn't reverse there, right? That was the area to reverse. Coming off the yesterday's high, we had a good setup to go reverse, but we didn't. So my thinking is, this is not gonna reverse. This is gonna just fly back up. It had a chance to reverse. Obviously didn't want to, and now we're just bouncing off. The 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. Like I'm like acting as if I'm losing money today. I'm not. But that's how pissed. This is how pissed off this PA is making me. This PA is like seriously so frustrating. Like every single day, you just get chop, 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 chop. No setups, all chop here. Like no setups. On if it does trend, no setups. It's just what Panda's like. What are we doing here? What are we actually doing here, Pandas? Like, I'm acting as if I'm losing money today, but I'm not. I'm not losing money. I'm actually pretty good green. But that's how frustrating this price action has been. So frustrating. Where are my moves? Where are my actual setups? Where are my moves? I haven't seen an actual setup working out for the last 3 days. So frustrating. Coming off of, like, the most perfect resistance doesn't do anything. It's absolute trash. This is garbage, Pandas. Absolute garbage. B versus do I trade continuation? Yeah, that's what I like to do. I like to trade major trend reversals at key areas, such as the previous day's high with a super rejection off of it with a nice setup, and the setup does absolutely nothing. Gives me almost 20 points, but just doesn't do anything, Pandas. And the 5 minutes just completely overlapping bars. I'm about to do it, Pandas. I'm about to jump to micros. I already know what kind of day today's going to be. Absolute garbage. We're just gonna jump to micros here. Like I do not want to be stressed out in my trades. I don't care anymore. I just don't care anymore. This is absolute. I hate this price. I've been hating this price action for the last 3 months. Pretty much 4 months of terrible price action now, man. Is I just. What is this? What is this? What in the world is this, pandas? What in the world is that? What in the world is this? Today, this day, okay, but still, what is this trash? Okay, right here. What is this trash? What is this trash? This whole day's trash. This, man, okay day. Yeah, that's okay. Not too bad. Not too shabby. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is this? What is that? Pan, this is just, what can I can explain how terrible this price action has been every single day. So bad. Lazy, exactly right. Lazy explains the market perfectly right now. It's either straight pops and slow movement or big pullbacks to F everyone up. Exactly. I don't even care. I don't even care. You fail this reversal here. I'm looking to go long now. You fail that reversal off the most perfect bounce off resistance. Like I'm assuming you do not want to reverse here. You had the perfect chance to do it, yet you did not. So I'm gonna long here. Like I don't even care. We're going long, pandas. This is so stupid. Absolute trash price action. What is this nonsense? So I hate this price action, pandas. Feels like I just short, looking for a new high now. First break of trend. Like it's just this is what I'm looking for. I don't care. I don't care. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Whatever. Had every opportunity to reverse and did not. Now we're getting it set up on the other way. And this is going to absolutely fail as well, whatever. Careless. It's every single day, pan. This is trash after trash after trash after trash. It's crazy, pandas. It's crazy. Every single day. Look at this nonsense here. So stupid. So absolutely stupid. I just, whatever. I don't care. I lose. I mean, that's just what. If that's what the market's gonna do for me, I lose. Like it's just how it is every single day. I gotta stick to my setups here. I mean, this setup I like it. I mean, we failed to reverse here. Now we get a reversal setup the other way. Looking for a new high, first break of trend. Right at all-time highs. Like right at the previous day's high. Like we're getting right back to this area where we just break through it now, right? Because we failed to break through it before. I'm just gonna hold this. I do not even care, pandas. Seriously, don't even care. 20,000 overlapping bars in a row. What's new? 20,000 overlapping bars in a row. What is new, pandas? Absolutely nothing. Goodness gracious. Can't even go 10 points. Can't even go 10 points. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Can't go 10 points? What am I supposed to do, pandas? Can't even make 10 points. Can't make 10 points, pandas. Like, what am I supposed to do here? It's absolute trash. Completely overlapping bars. I just cannot trade this. I can't trade this. I can't. I don't want to trade this. I'm done. It takes my break even, whatever. I'm done. I'm going to call it here, pandas. I already know today. I'm up 600 pandas, and I'm pissed off. Like, I am like tilted to the maximum, and I'm making money. That's how bad this price action is. I mean, over half a grand times 20, right? Which is what, $10,000. I made 10K today, but I'm pissed off because this price action absolute doo doo caca. I cannot trade this. I refuse to trade this, man. It's like I just want to have a good weekend at this point. Like it's just crazy. What is this? Why do we have so many overlapping bars here? What is all of this? It's just trash. 5 minute, completely overlapping bars. Oh my gosh. What are we actually doing here, Pandas? Like, what is the point of this? I hate this. I hate this. Every single day. Every single day. My setups, none of them working out. None of them working out. Big reversal setups. Beautiful setups, actually. I love this setup here. I love this setup here. I love both of them. They don't do anything. It's just crazy. The market's not even... Pandas. Whoo! It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, now it wants to go up. Now it wants to go up. Whatever, Pandas. I do not care. I do not care. I do not want to see, right, 2 attempts upwards and then not doing anything and then it comes back down. Like, I do not want to see that. I mean, this is obviously going up right now, but I do not want to see this happen. I don't want to stick around and find out. Like, I've seen it too many times where it just reverses here and just crushes you. Now it blasts off. Great. Like, now it blasts off. Great. After, like, after 7 overlapping bars, great. Now it decides to break out. Pandas, I just can't do it. I'm done. I'm done. Pandas, I think I'm going to end it here. I'm just like... I think I'm just going to end the stream when I just don't think the day is good anymore. I think that's just how it's going to be. Like, at this point, I'm going to just trade to make bamboo. And if you want to, like, stick around and find out... Like, if you guys want to, like, stick around, watch me trade, like, please do so. I'm going to trade to open, and I'm going to close... I'm actually going to end the stream, even in 10 minutes. If I find that the price action is trash in 10 minutes... I'm ending it. Like, I don't even care. I don't want to stick around for now. I do not want to, like, I don't want to stream anymore, like, when the market's like this. To me, it's absolute doo-doo caca. There's no reason to trade. There's no reason to even do this. Like, I'd rather just end the stream, and some streams might last 3 hours because, like, the price action is beautiful, and we're just making tons of bamboo. Sometimes the price actions do absolutely nothing like today, and it's just like, I just don't want to stream anymore. I just don't want to do it anymore. It's like... I think I'm going to end the stream from now on. Once I sense the price action being terrible, I'm just going to end it. I'm not going to, I don't even care. I do not even care. That's not frustrating. I'm going to keep doing that until this price action actually starts to get good. Right? When we actually get volatility back into the market, then I think I'll start going my regular program. But right now, this is absolute garbage, doo-doo, caca, diarrhea, whatever you want to call it. I cannot trade this. It's just so frustrating. I'm done. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Like, have you ever seen anyone so pissed off being up $10,000, more than $12,000 today? I'm up 12K today across 20 accounts. Have you ever seen anyone this pissed off? No, because I actually care about the price action. I don't care how much money I'm making. When the price action is doing this, I just do not care. I do not want to trade. I do not want to stick around and find out. Like, I know what kind of day it's going to be. I know what it does to me. I know it just destroys my EV. I know what kind of day it's going to be today. Already know it. Jeez Louise. Hate this. Absolutely hate this price action. Goodness gracious, man. I just can't. I cannot. We got a second entry long coming up here. I'm going to see. If it makes a new high, I'm done. Makes a new high, I'm done. Second entry long, maybe I'll join in. Makes a new high. I'm done. More trash price action. I'm done. Makes a new high. I'm done. All right, I'm done. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright on Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. It's just like I cannot stand this price action. If you love this grindy price action, tons of pullbacks, retracements. If you love this price, please be my guest. This is your market right now. Enjoy it. Please make as much money as you can because this is the day for you. But for me, Pandas, whoo, I can't do it. I just can't do it. Pandas, I'll see you guys on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. Please, 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 please trade safe, everyone. Use code BBM for TPT for Apex. TPT has an amazing program right now. TPT has 40% off. Let me add that to the HUD. TPT has 40% off, no activation fee, and also a refund once you get funded. You get refunded your eval fee. So you basically get funded for free. It's actually it's the best. It's actually absolutely the best promo I've ever heard in my life. I gotta add it here because it's so good. I've never heard of a I've never heard of a promo that good before. And I would say it. You know, you literally just get funded. You get refunded your eval fee, so you get funded for free. And right now, like I'm holding off on my giveaways because you actually lose money by doing the giveaway. Like you make money not doing just by doing the regular promo right now. It's actually crazy the promo. So please take advantage of it if you haven't already. Goodness gracious, it's such a good promo. It's the best promo I've ever heard, I've ever seen in any prop firm. Such a good promo. Refund at payout or when passing the eval. Ooh, actually, let me see. On your first withdrawal, yep, at payout. So once you get payout, then you get a refund. Sorry about that. Yeah, Bubsa's payout. I hardly knew her. We barely met. We met only once. Oh, no refund if it was a reset. Okay. Okay, so you got to get the payout first time. First go. Pandas, how frustrating this price is. I mean, the price is moving up, but it had to do absolute nonsense for so long. Like I said, once this trap failed, this ended up working out, but it takes me out break even after all this nonsense. I just didn't want to stick around and find out what happened. It's just absolute trash. But this ends up launching now. So delicious. Goodness gracious. So sick. I mean, it's making a beeline to all-time highs today. Here's the all-time high. It's making a beeline to it. Second entry long here. I'm going long. All right, last trade. Going Falcon heavy on this. First second entry long we've had in a long time. Coming off our trend line. And okay. Decent push up. And just gets folded. Decent push up gets folded. First second entry long. Just seen in forever. And super strong bull bar on a 2500 tick chart gets folded. Like, how stupid does this look? How stupid does this look? How stupid does that look? Like, super strong bull bar ending on its high. How dumb does that look that we just get folded like that? 2500 tick chart. How stupid is that? It's the dumbest thing I've ever. Stupid, man. So dumb, man. I'm sorry. It's the dumbest thing ever. How stupid is that? How stupid is this? Super strong bull bar ending on its high gets folded. Doesn't have one tick above it. How stupid is that, pandas? How absolutely stupid is that? Dumbest thing I've ever seen. Alright. One more. Whatever. Going one more. Whatever, I don't care. I lose. We'll end at 0 today. We'll end with 0. I'll end break even today. Careless. Cool. We'll lose this trade too. I mean, I should have stopped. I should have just stopped. Oh my goodness, man. We'll just lose every trade for the rest of our lives. That's just how it's going to be. We're going to lose every trade the rest of our lives. Cannot go long in the uptrend. Cannot make money going long in the uptrend. That's how frustrating this is. Like, I'm trying to go long in the uptrend. Hello? Can I please make money going long in the uptrend for once in my life? What is this, pandas? Why? Every single day. Why must it do this every single day, pandas? Like, can I go long in the uptrend and make money, please? Like, just one time. Like, I just want to make money in the uptrend by going long. Like, is it okay? Is that okay? Is that okay, everyone? Market, hello. Can I make money in the uptrend by going long? Can I make money going long in uptrend? Please? Like, one time? Like, what is this nonsense, pandas? Like, can I just make money one time going long in the uptrend? I'm just trying to go long. Try to go long here. Try to go long here again. Like, we're just trying 2 times to go long in the uptrend. Can I make money one time? Like, why is it so difficult to make money going long in the uptrend? Off supports. Off of support, either off the trend line or off the 20 MA. Off 2 times, two tries of support. Got super strong bull bar ending on its high right here. We actually break above this high. And can we make money one time? And we cannot. We just can't. We can't make money in an uptrend. Like, that's the kind of day we're having. I mean, it is what it is. I'm done. I'll see you guys on Monday. I mean, this is absolute trash. I should have ended it before when I was up 600. Like, I'm just telling you, Pans. Like, I cannot make money on an uptrend. Going long in an uptrend off supports. I cannot do it. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Like, why can't I make money on an uptrend? Like a massive uptrend. Why can't I make money? I have no clue. It's absolutely ridiculous. Pandas, we're done. All right, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have an amazing day. As always, have a trading. God bless. Bye.